What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got us a clapped out CR125 two-stroke with the pink spoke covers. These things go hard. Other than that, the bike's kind of clean. Has V-Force reeds in there. Pretty dirty, honestly. Really dirty, actually. So what we're gonna have to do is hit her with the pressure washer, make this thing look a lot cuter. I'm probably gonna do an actual build on this thing, maybe. I'll see if I can find some sponsors. We can do something cool. What we do is probably the 2020 restyle kit on it with the new seat cover. The tires are fine on this thing, but I'd probably put new ones. Rear tire is actually almost brand new. The front tire isn't too bad, so I might keep the tires on. But new chain sprockets, shifters, foot pegs, fresh top end. This side has a pro circuit pipe in the front and in the rear. The only issue is that in the front they had to weld on a chunk because they put a hole through the pipe, so that was quite unfortunate. No biggie though, we'll fix that up. And yeah, she's not too clapped. I've seen worse. You already know they be going with the eBay special, Nomura Technologies. I don't know if that's eBay special, but they're cheap. I'd rather go with Wiseco. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wash this bike up real nicely, get it looking nice and crispy, and then we'll start to tear it apart. I'm probably just gonna tear the entire bike down. I actually don't have any room in the garage, so I'm probably gonna take the ARM 85. I might keep that bike in here, actually. I'll probably take the 150 and the 100 down to the basement, just so that I can free up some space, so that right here I can have the entire thing. And I need some more stands and buckets. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this thing, because I think this thing's gonna turn out looking pretty nice. We had the 2001 CR250 on the channel. There's two people that run the channel, actually, by the way. There's me, and then there's Jacob. I'm in South Carolina, Jacob's in Florida. And I mean, we started it off as a joke, as a little hobby, and now it's actually becoming something. So yeah, we appreciate your guys' support and that subscribe button and everything. And yeah, we try to help you guys as much as we can. We get a lot of comments. We try to respond to at least some of them. If you guys really need help, hit us up on Instagram. That is the best place to ask for help. And yeah, DJs_GarageYT. It's got Pro Circuit triple clamps, rental bars. I think those are stock though, so that's nothing crazy. Pro Circuit cover, V-Force reeds, and Pro Circuit pipe, and that's pretty much it for this bike. So yeah, let's hit the pressure washer and get this thing nice and crispy.
It looks like you lost another one.
Alrighty guys, so 125 is nice and cleaned up. No more junk everywhere. Still gonna have to clean up the engine a little bit better. I'll probably pull it out of the frame, or at least I'll tear down the frame and get down to it. Just take off the subframe and all the plastics and stuff. Other than that, we're getting new plastics for it, new graphics, and just cleaning everything up pretty much. New grips, new levers. That's about it for this bike, honestly. We're not going to do a whole lot to it. Just make it look nice. That's pretty much our goal. Clean up the frame, clean up anything that I can clean up, I'll clean up and make it look really nice. If I can't clean it up, I'll get a new one. And if it's perfectly fine in usable shape, then I'll have to just keep it on. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of aftermarket parts on it, just because in the end, I'm going to be selling this bike. So yeah, I might do a top end on it, we'll see. But Like the pipe right here, it's not reusable, so just look at that. And then on this side, yeah, right there, there's a hole. So it's not even reusable. I'm not gonna try to blow out any of the dents. I'm just gonna get me a new pipe, and everything else is pretty much fine. I'm gonna have to true up the front wheel because it is a little out of whack. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with this bike, see how nice we can make it. Hopefully it'll look nice. Probably get a new mud guard, just because that one's kind of old. New air filters, just a whole bunch of little stuff, and see how nice we can make a clapped out Honda CR look. So yeah, let's start tearing down this bike. I don't really have any room in the garage to record me tearing down the bike, so I'll probably have to do it off camera. Alrighty guys, so we got all the plastics and the subframe off. The frame isn't too bad, it's pretty crusty right there. We're just gonna work on polishing up this frame. It's kind of, you can tell where nobody's washed this before, but you can see they washed it up here and down there, because the gas tank or the shroud covers right there. We're gonna need to get a new chain guide, just because that's completely toasted. I thought I needed rear brake pads, but it just turned out that I just threw some brake parts cleaner in there and it cleaned it up. Now they work fine. You can see right here where all of that dirt and grime is. We're gonna try to get all that out just because it doesn't look good on a clean bike. You can tell where somebody changed the cylinder there. So I guess that's good. At least somebody kind of maintained the bike. I'm gonna have to clean up all of that grime. That stuff's just disgusting. Probably gonna end up taking the entire engine out of the frame for that. And I need to drain the oil first and drain the coolant. After that, we're pretty much set. Everything else is pretty straightforward. It is an O2 and it's been used, so there's obviously gonna be some scratches that I just can't get out. But I'm gonna try my best to make this bike look clean. I'm gonna watch some videos on how Tyler Monaghan made his, Cameron Niamella. They both did super nice CR250 and 125 builds. So yeah, need to order up a couple parts for it, and next thing on the list is taking off these spoke covers.